Might be on a speed control or something, I don't know. There's a Westinghouse or something right there. Not a Westinghouse, I don't know what it is.